I'm at Bluewater and it's lift tour time. First to the best lifts in the entire centre, which are the very nice 2 metres a second 90s cone lifts in John Lewis. These are very nice. Each one of these 3 lifts makes a slightly different version of Cone's classic chime, so if you shop here often you'll know which lift has arrived just by the sound. These are so nice. Let's ride all 3 of them, and first to the middle one. Let's ride it.
Second floor. Ground floor.
And now to the lift on the left.
Second floor.
And now to the lift on the right. And now, out to the main part of the shopping centre and into an Otis automatic lift. In this lift you don't need to press any buttons. It detects you going in and then will go automatically. Let's ride it. And now along to an Otis non-automatic lift. This lift goes from car park level ground 1 and 2, and as the car park floors are close together than the shopping floors, ground floor is the lower mile and floor 2 is the upper mile.
Please stand clear, the doors are closing. Arriving at car park, level 2. Please stand clear. The doors are opening. Please enter. Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Arriving at the ground floor. Streets are clear. The doors are opening.
And now along to the food court, which has recently been refurbished. Let's take a look at it. Quite a few things have changed. All of the seats have been replaced, and that rather grubby McDonald's that looked like some sort of castle thing has now moved to a normal shop. But sadly, one of the shops I liked, which was a nice pasta shop, has now sadly gone. A rather strange tunnel thing that went underneath the food court has also gone, which is a shame.
Arriving at Upper Mall. Streets are clear. The doors are open.
And now along to outside of Marks and Spencer's.
Streets are clear. The doors are closing.
Now into Marks and Spencer's, where there's some really horrible UK lifts. These are so slow, and today one of them had broken down.
Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now along to a 90 Stanner lift in Clark's.
Doors closing. Lift going up. First floor. Doors opening.
And now along to Boots, where the lift has recently been replaced. And now along to H&M and to their Schindler MRL.
Floor 2. Floor 0. Streets are clear. The doors are open.
And now let's take a look at the new part of the shopping centre. They've recently built an exhibition hall here. This has some really nasty generic lifts. One time I did manage to get in one of these generic lifts, and it opens its doors both into the exhibition hall and into the shopping centre. On Lower Mall and Upper Mall, the lift opens its doors both sides. But the logic in these lifts is so crap, as even though it opens both sides on the same floor, it can't open both sides at the same time, because it counts each side as a different floor. This is so bad. basic. These are stupid generics. But today there's no exhibition in the exhibition hall and the lift was locked off. That was annoying. And now along to the cinema, where there's an Otis 2000 lift, but you can only get into this if you pay to go into the cinema. So moving on, now along to the boring lift in next.
Mind the doors, please. Ground floor.
Now along to House of Fraser, where they've got Otis 2000 lifts, but they're not particularly fast or interesting. And now along to another Otis automatic lift.
This is an automatic lift. Next stop, up and now. Please stand clear, the doors are closing. Please stand clear, the doors are closing. Arriving at Upper Now. This is an automatic lift. Next stop, Lower Now.
And now along to the part of the shopping centre where there's smaller shops, and along to the little Otis automatic lift.
Arriving at Upper Now. Arriving at the Lower Now.
And now to another Otis lift to the car parks. And now to a rather boring Otis 2000 hydraulic lift.